Hey everyone, Dayton here with Rodriguez Cleaning Services. Today we got a pressure washing job that I'm going to be showing you. I'm going to share with you what we did and why we did those things. We do things a little differently, and you will be a little shocked if you are in the water damage restoration industry or you have dealt with a water damage in the past. And then I will be showing you a pressure washing job that we're doing, and I want to thank you for watching, for staying tuned, and I hope you enjoy the video. Hey everyone, we're here at the house that we have the water damage job, and I will be showing you around in a minute how things turn out. Stay tuned. All right, this is the front door. As soon as you walk in, this vinyl floor got wet and it has to come out, but we don't have any clearance from the adjuster to remove it yet. But I will recommend to do it. What we did, if you see there, we got some holes. We removed the baseboards and then we dried the wall cavity. If you see here, you can see some holes. When we checked that, it was all the way on the red, and check now. It's barely moving to 10 to 12. And check over here. Oh, it did turn off. All right, it's back on. Check this. It's on 10. This on here is 10, 11, which means that it's totally fine. All this wall got wet. This one as well. We have no insulation here. That's why I drilled those holes. And let me show you the bathroom. This water came from the toilet, clean water, and it ran throughout the house. Down here, I cut only a little strip of drywall because it was basically falling apart. I knew that we had insulation back in there, and I want to make sure that that wasn't soaking wet. The insulation didn't get wet, just barely over here. And check this. That's fully dry as well. Back in there, got wet. We have no insulation there. This also got wet. On this side, I didn't drill any holes or anything because I did it from the outside, and there's no need to do it on both sides. And then this carpet is a little old, and it has some delamination here. Most likely the insurance will pay to replace this, but we were able to dry the padding and the carpet. Water got there. That's also dry as well. Let me show you here. All the way to 11, which is good comparing to the drywall. That closet also got wet. And then we covered this with plastic. The laundry got wet, but we also checked that. I also checked behind the washer and dryer. I moved that. This cabinet got wet, but it's dry now. See that? It's hardly moving. The bottoms are bad, and it has a little bit of mold. We have to wait for the adjuster to see if they will go ahead and pay to replace them or not. There's no communication with the adjuster on this job. We had a HEPA filter since we had to do some drywall cutting, drilling to contain the dust, but everything was covered up. That way there is no risk of a lot of contamination. Water also got here. You can see that wall had some water, and then it came here, but this is fully dry. This bedroom as well. This got wet, but it's fully dry as well. Carpeting and padding as well. We saved everything in place, which is standard for clean water, and that's what we did. All right, as you saw, everything we did there was cutting drywall, drilling drywall, drying carpet and padding in place. That's what we do. We don't have to tear out the whole house. The vinyl floor has to come out because we still have humidity down there. But since I don't have approval from the adjuster to pull it out, I'm just gonna wait for them to have that conversation, and then we pull it out. or the company that will be putting things back together. But that's what we did. Now I'm gonna check all my numbers to go ahead and do the billing. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the pressure washing if we can do that job. All right, here we are at the pressure washing job. That's the van I'm driving back there, and then D is working on the other one, and I'm gonna be showing you what we're gonna be working now. All right, this is the pressure washing we're gonna be using, and here's where we're gonna be working. We already did the patio 2 days ago. We got a lot of rain today, but over there is the clean area, and then we have to work our way down there to finish this out. But that's how it looks after we're done. You can tell the difference, and I still have to hit this here a little better. Stay tuned for how it turns out. All right, we just finished with the last pressure washing. We did carpet cleaning as well. Now we're heading back home. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any comments, please leave your comment on the video, and thank you so much for staying tuned. Bye.